Hello, second graders. How are you? This is Miss Ryan, your science teacher, and in this video, I will be explaining a new lesson. We're going to start with Unit 2, Activity 1, and the title of this activity is Similarities and Differences Between Animals. Similarities and Differences Between Animals. First of all, let's look at this picture, guys. We have group of animals, right? And we have different kinds of animals. We have bear, cat, bird, lion, fish, and a snake. I'm gonna ask you a question, guys. Do all these animals have eyes? Yes, they all have eyes. So they have a common thing. Do all these animals have a mouth? Yes, they all have a mouth. Another question. Do all these animals have tails? Yes, they have tails, so they have common things. Okay, now let's look at the differences between these animals. Do all these animals have the same color? Of course not. They do not have the same color, they have different colors. Mm, Do all these animals have the same size? No, let's look at the bird. It's so small. And the lion is so big. So they do not have the same sizes. Each animal has its own size. And do all these animals have the same shape? Let's look at the snake. It has an elongated body. And the bear is very fat and big. So they do not have the same shape. So, as animals have common things, they have different things. So, animals have similarities and differences. They have common things and different things. Animals have similarities and differences. Read with me. Animals have similarities and differences. Almost all animals have eyes, eyes, mouth, mouth, tail, tail, but they have different shapes, shapes, colors, colors, and sizes, sizes. So almost all animals have eyes, mouth, tail, but they have different shapes, colors, and sizes. Now let's take a deep look at these two animals. Here we have a fish and here we have a snake. And you should know, guys, that fish have fins, and these are the fins. The fins help the fish in swimming. So fish have fins, but the snake here, it doesn't have fins. Okay, and look at the body of the fish and at the body of the snake. You should know, guys, that the body of the fish and the snake is covered with scales. So, what covers the body of the fish? Scales. What covers the body of the snake? Scales. So, the body of the fish and the snake is covered with scales. Say scales. Scales. Okay, now let's look at the bear and the lion. What covers the body of the bear and what covers the body of the lion? Scales? Do they have scales? No. What do they have here? What's this? Excellent. Hair. So, the body of the bear and the lion is covered with hair. So, the body of the bear and the lion is covered with hair. Hair. Look at this bird. It's so nice. What covers the body of the bird? Scales? No. Hair? No. What are these? These are excellent feathers. So the body of the bird is covered with feathers. Say feathers. So the body of the bird is covered with feathers. So animals have similarities and differences. Do you see, guys? I hope you learned something new. Goodbye.